Well, hello there. Good morning. It's me, Jeffrey. Today I'm going to be doing a versus video. And yes, it's a vacuum video. We are going to look at my Hoover Convertible and my EUREKA Sanitaire commercial vacuum. I know this EUREKA doesn't look like a commercial, but it is. But we're gonna compare these two by suction and cleaning power. We're gonna start with the Sanitaire and move on to the Hoover. Now this is the Sanitaire. Sorry, this is my first vacuum war. Slide that aside. Now, this thing ain't really as powerful, but we're gonna see. Okay, that's that one. Now we're gonna compare that to the Hoover. Okay, this is something I've noticed on the Hoover. It acts like a Hoover Guardsman, heavy duty. But it's not really commercial. But let's see how this one does. We're going to go over where the Sanitaire went and see if it picks up anything there. Okay, now I did notice that it picked up a little more than the Sanitaire, but really the power of them are really equal, because in fact they're both really equal to each other. They both have direct air, no headlight. Despite the Hoover Convertible's look, it does not have a headlight. And of course you can see that this one doesn't, because it doesn't have a place. It looks like it has a headlight. But anyway, they're both fairly identical, not really too much the same. The Sanitaire has a very much more thinner made part on where the handle lowers, and this thing has a carrying handle. So what I'm meaning to say is this one does not have a carrying handle, but the Hoover does. But other than the brand name, their shape, and all that, they're identical. But they have fairly the same suction, and this one has a plastic handle, whereas this one is just tube metal. This one's just tube metal handle. But other than this, other than the shape and models, they are identical. So here we have it. EUREKA Sanitaire versus Hoover Convertible.